Life sciences manufacturers face numerous challenges, including maintaining quality control, adhering to stringent regulatory requirements, and the critical need for high accuracy and reliability in their processes. The Hygienic Micro-Motion G-Series Coriolis flow and density meter is the smallest dual-tube Coriolis meter on the market and enhances manufacturing capabilities at a competitive price point. Engineered with streamlined configuration and sizing guidance, the G-Series simplifies integration into your systems. It offers 6-line sizes with electro-polished wetted parts, providing an ultra-compact and lightweight solution that reduces shipping cost and easily fits into most skids, even in space-constrained environments. With its self-draining design suitable for both vertical and horizontal orientations, the Micro-Motion G-Series maximizes installation flexibility by eliminating the need for lengthy, straight pipe runs. The direct mass flow measurement and multi-variable capabilities that are a staple of Coriolis technology reduce the number of instruments required and ensure a reliable batch every time. Additionally, Smart Meter Verification allows you to self-verify the health and performance of the meter, allowing for remote maintenance and enhancing process control while reducing downtime. Talk to one of our experts and explore how the ultra-compact and lightweight Hygienic G-Series can elevate your manufacturing processes at emerson.com/micromotion.